I'm Cal, and welcome to another episode of Shit I Don't Need, Festival Camping Edition. Today's item that we do not need is the King Camp Genova pop-up shelter. Privacy tent, works as a shower or a camp toilet, which again, it's unnecessary because at Bourbon and Beyond, you're never more than 100 yards away from a porta-can. And well, you can be several hundred yards away from the showers, and they're not available 24 hours a day. So I thought, maybe let's give it a shot and see what's up. I saw some folks that had them, and essentially when it comes to festival camping, all you really need is a 10x10 pop-up, and then like some chairs to sit around, a little table, make like a living room, and that will get you done. But we're dressing the campsite up this year, and we're being extra. King Camp, I watched 1,000 videos on these. They're all about the same. The biggest complaint on any of the models is that they can't fold them back up into here. So let's see what happens. All right, kind of some green, looks good. Should be a rain fly right here, and a mat for the bottom of it, so when you're using it as a shower, you're not going to be stepping in some mud. And then, of course, we have the stakes, some guy lines. Every video I watched said you can throw these in the trash and it gets some real stakes. If this thing's going to be freestanding, they highly recommend that you do use the guy lines to offer additional stability. In the festival camping situation at Bourbon and Beyond, everything's stacked in there so high, I don't think that that's going to be necessary, but I will get some real stakes. Now there's a bunch of videos that you'll watch people just take these things and chuck them up into the air and they unfold themselves, but I'm going to be a little bit more conservative than that, so we'll see. Wow, that's pretty easy, actually. Yeah, okay, that's real easy. Bam! Of course, the trick is folding it up and setting it down, but let's take a tour. All right, it's got a nice big zipper. Does not feel terribly heavy duty. Nice space, look at this. All right. Got a roof out the top. I thought it was actually mesh top up there, but it's just straight into the sky, so that's lovely. Let's get some little, what do we got here? A little mesh window for airflow that you can of course roll up. With this little guy, here's a nice little pouch to hold stuff. Here's the hook. If you're gonna use it as a camp shower. Boy, if you're 6'3", 6'4", 6'5", your head's gonna stick up out of this sucker. Yeah. So, but that's okay. This is gonna be perfect for me. Let's go ahead and kind of set this guy up and see what's up. Here's the mat that goes to the bottom of this thing. Easy peasy. Oh, there is Velcro attachments here, so it attaches via the Velcro right there. So that's pretty nifty. Little Velcro tabs right here, and then some higher Velcro tabs. It has these things right here, which they say are for sandbags, which I guess if you went to the beach, you could just fill it up with sand. But like I said, every video I saw said to definitely stake it down, and if it's going to be freestanding out by itself, use the guy lines. Yeah. Well, that was easy. It took like literally no time at all to set up. I'm not going to bother with the rain fly because I probably won't use the rain fly unless, obviously It's raining. All right. Can we see what that is? I mean, easy to read instructions. There's 1,000 videos, but let's see if I can get this sucker folded back up. Or if I'm gonna need to stop and go back and watch some videos of my damn self. I think it just folds back over. Ah, wait a second, there we go. Lickety split. I don't know what people are crying about. I mean, I did watch about 700 videos before I tried it myself, but just make sure it fits back in the bag. Boom, just like that. Of course, I realize now that I forgot to put the rain flag and the floor mat back in there, but that'll easily slide up in there. So look at that. King Camp Genova pop-up privacy shelter / shower / bathroom. More on that in the next video.